All right, Vonnie.
These should be daddies. Those pantyhose are so cute. I want them. Daddy, we have this book. We have
Let me
book.
see.
That's not all the books. We don't have that one. This would be for Lucy. So would this. Mommy, look, it's a book.
Oh, that'll be fun.
This will be for Dad.
That's another one. Judy Bloom, I used to read her when I was a kid.
This should be Jackson's actually.
Yep, that looks like a new shirt for Jack.
These should be
Oh wow, those are nice shorts. Are those daddies? I hope.
There are some shorts off for Dad.
Daddy. Lucy and Lizzie. Ooh, nail polish and lipstick.
Ooh, look at that pretty dish. Is that a cabbage?
I think it's celery.
It's celery. It's cabbage. It's one of those
Dad.
long
That's
cabbages.
Dad's.
Oh, why are you licking my legs?
Mom, are you gonna take anything off that's on the top?
I wish I had that hat today.
Yeah, that was really bright.
Or my sunglasses.
Yeah.
No, that looks maybe like Lucy.
Mommy.
Oh, sewing stuff.
Ooh,
Nice.
good hat. Thank you, Elizabeth.
Yeah, that's really
This
nice
should be
sewing
for
stuff.
Lucy.
Ooh, what'd you get, Lou?
It's a crown.
Ooh, Elizabeth. Can I see that on you?
What does that say?
It's for me.
No, let him read it.
I
Let him
Will you read it,
please.
Vonnie?
one thing.
I don't think you can read that word.
Yes, he can. No, close it back up and read it.
It's not really
Yes, you can. Sound it out.
Altenttion.
Okay. Re. R-E says
We're not
re.
supposed to touch the stuff in there. right?
Okay.
And what's the word in the middle?
Touch the stuff in there.
What's T-E-N? Re.
Stop, we're not allowed to touch
Ten. And what does T-I-O-N say? Shun.
Sweet and sweet.
There you go.
It's sweet. We got new nail polish.
No, give it here.
Yeah, we should.
Everybody will get a piece. But not probably tonight.
Aww.
Why not?
Maybe there's more. Maybe there's one for everyone.
Mom, can you?
Probably not. This is like a.
He's not really
This is